Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a free house tutorial. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start by getting a house. Okay, let's start. So basically, this is a free house tutorial and a speed build because one of my subscribers asked me to do so, and I respect my subscribers, so I did so. So if you want to get all the items in Turkaboka, just go to Google Chrome or any other app that has a website. Then type in Playmods. After that, download it. Then type in Turkaboka in Playmods. After downloading Turkaboka in Playmods, you will now get all free items for free without buying any packs. So that's actually where I got all my items. So you guys should enjoy this speed build that I did for you guys, and hope you like it. It's going to be the end soon, so hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next one.